Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is our pop-up little video to let you know who won the Blinging in the New Year grand prize. I do want to let you know that those who registered, we had 45 people, but as you can see on the inputs, only 21 did the end form. So in our collabs, make sure that you're filling out that end form. Because that's a lot of people who are missing out on possibly winning the grand prize, which is a beautiful sparkling diamond painting from DP with sparklers. I really enjoyed the hashtag Blinging in the New Year 2022 with Tia, and I can't wait to do it again next year. So without further ado, we are going to spin the wheel. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Sylvia, you are the winner. So Sylvia, I will email you and CC Tina on that from DP with Sparklers, and you guys can work on the prize. So thank you so much, everyone. And please, we have a hashtag Beautiful 2022 collab starting March 18th. More to come on that. Lots of prizes and a wonderful grand prize. So thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.